Alright guys, I modded the cheapest e-bike, the Ridstar Q20, and this is how it came out. Added a whole ton of stuff to it, and we're about to ride it and see how it goes.
It ain't nothing new. I'm trying to make an M at 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. I ain't nothing like you. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. You don't do what I do. I'm the living truth, the living proof.
So, I've done a whole lot to this bike. I got like a Sur-on throttle on it. Got new bars, a new stem, new screen, new grip. Got this speaker right here. I got new street tires on there. I got this gut seat cover. It's pretty nice. Oh yeah, I got this bottle light. Sorry if the mic's bad. I don't really have a mic set up right now. It's my first video, so. But yeah, that's basically the setup. And just chilling. I'm saving up for a Sur-on. Well, actually, I don't know which one I should pick. I'm wondering, y'all tell me in the comments, should I get the Sur-on RTR or the Solaria XXX, because I'm saving for those. And I'm trying to decide which one I want. For a Sur-on, I get it off Alibaba, so it would be like 3,200, but that's about it. What was I gonna say? So yeah, just got this GoPro for Christmas and I wanted to make some videos, so here we go. Yeah, once again, sorry if the mic quality's bad, because I haven't really got a mic set up for this yet, since I just got it. But yeah. There we go. Okay. I actually can't wait to see how this looks when it's done. Making videos is so tough. This isn't going to be too long, since my GoPro is not on it's only on like 32% right now, so it's kind of just a chill little video, not really anything, but that's about it. I don't know. So yeah, I've been thinking on which bike to get. Well, I also thought about modding a Razor. One of my friends are getting a 2D, so I don't know. So, what did I say? I don't know. Yeah, I'm thinking I get a new bike since it's like, it doesn't have the greatest torque or greatest speed. I mean, it's kind of mid, I'm not gonna lie. But, I mean, for starters, it's decent, so I'm not complaining about that. Oh yeah, so I'm thinking about the RTR though, because I saw the RTR and I got to ride it recently and I thought it was really good. So y'all let me know like which one I should choose out of the Talaria, Suron, and RT. But we would So overall though, would I recommend this bike? I mean, for beginners, yeah, honestly. I kind of wish I set up for something more, but I mean, it's not bad. It's like, I don't know, it's just kind of slow with not much torque. I mean, I could kind of pop it up and stuff like this. You're gonna see in a second. Yeah, but I can only like really drag my feet, but so it's not that much power, but you know what? I don't know how some people like do combos and stuff on this bike, because it's pretty hard. I don't know how they do that though. Because I can, like, I'll try right now. Yeah, just, I don't know how to pop it over. If y'all have any tips, just put in the comments. But fuck, the video looks decent. So I can't even really tell right now. Shit, it's kind of weird. Besides that though. So, if y'all can hear me, I'm gonna review this footage after, so I'm gonna see if it's good or not. I'm gonna probably put some music on. There's probably gonna be music going on right now. So, let's see if we can pop it up again real quick. Oh, I went too far back. Bro, I almost lose this before doing this, but okay. Oh, I got my phone in my pocket right now. Yeah. Alright. Hey birds, get out the way. So this is like, this bike was $1,000 and I put like $800 worth of mods into it. It's pretty nice and it looks decent. Hold up, I'll stop right here and show y'all. Oh yeah, keep in mind, this is in Mexico on a closed course, so, and it's all AI. So, but this is what it looks like. It costs like $1,800 altogether. Y'all let me know what I could do to it if I did any more. I don't know why I have my light on. So yeah, I tried dirt riding on the RTR. Bro, I swear, it's like a whole different world, bro. It's completely different. But just looking cruising right now. So yeah, this is my first video, so just let me know some tips so I can make it better. Once again, comment down below RTR Telario Surround. Also, I'd love it if y'all like and subscribe. And yeah, like and subscribe and hit that bell if you want more content. Oh crap. Okay, we got it, we got it. Oh, this is crazy though. Yeah, my friend has like a modded razor that goes like 70. It's crazy. Bro, the fall leaves actually look pretty, bro. Is that a dog, bro? Wait, there's a dog. Nah, one time a dog tried to chase me, like back when I first got my bike. Only reason I got away is because I had pedals on. Hey, dog. Also, y'all let me know how the video quality is, because like I said, it's my first video, everything. Also, let me know what editing apps y'all use if y'all make videos, because I'm gonna probably use CapCut for this one, but I don't know. Yo, my GoPro's looking getting low. I'm gonna have to go soon. Yo, honestly though, this bike's pretty good for beginners, but you kind of get used to it, and it ends up getting slow. So, and the hub motor's kind of weird. This is the 1500 watt version. Make sure to get that one if you get the Spike. Or you could get the double battery one. Don't get the 1000 watt. It's got like no torque. The front wheel falls off and everything. So it's kind of gloomy today, not gonna lie. My bike might be kind of clapped, bro. It keeps making noises, bro. Oh yeah, so I'm also gonna have a gaming channel. I swear, people be looking at me, bro. Okay, I keep saying bro like 1,000 times. Sorry about that. Hey, let's hop up. There ain't no cars. We good. Hold on, I messed that one up.
Yeah, it ain't nothing new. I'm trying to make an M at 21 and 10 at 22. You can't